Namaskar, all of you. I am Gagan Vijay Singh, research scholar from Institute of Business Management, Mangala University. First of all, I would like to give thanks to the organizers who gave me opportunity to present this paper, and I would like also give to thank to my research guide, Dr. Rajiv Sharma ji, who guided me for this research paper. As we know that COVID-19 affected all over the world. That's why I choose this topic, the challenges and opportunity for tourism post COVID-19. What is tourism? Tourism is travel for pleasure or business. The World Tourism Organization defines tourism more generally in terms which go beyond the common perception of tourism as being limited to holiday activity only, as people traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year, for leisure and not less than 24 hours, business and other purposes. Now, what is the importance of tourism? Importance of tourism. Tourism activity created demands. Tourism industry value chain meets and separate demand across industries. Boost more economic activities. Tourism requires countries wholesome development, motivate to reach global standards. Tourism induce more consumption. This is not the first time when any virus affected the tourism sector. Before this, it has been happened. Slowdown in tourism after 2000 and before 2019. Tourism numbers declined as a result of an economic strong slowdown, the late 2000 recession. Between the second half of 2008 and the end of 2009, and in consequences of outbreak of the 2009 H1N1 influenza virus, but slowly recovered. International tourist arrival surpassed the milestone of 1 billion tourists globally for the first time in 2012. Effect of COVID-19 on world economy. The coronavirus outbreak is having a significant impact on the global economy and markets. $6 trillion has been wiped off the value of a basket, nearly 7,000 stocks. From interest rate to oil prices, other areas of the global economy are also said to feel the effect. Effect of COVID-19 on tourism. The World Travel and Tourism Council has warned the COVID-19 pandemic could cut 50 million jobs worldwide in the travel and tourism industry. Asia is expected to be the worst affected. Once the outbreak is over, it could take up to 10 months for the industry to recover. The tourism industry currently accounts for 10% of global GDP. What type of research methodology I used in this paper? Describe here. Objective: to study the challenges and opportunity for tourism post-COVID-19. Type of research: exploratory and descriptive. Data collection method: both primary and secondary. Sampling techniques: convenience sampling. Sample size 50. Sample space illegal. Question area filled through WhatsApp due to lockdown. Finding and recommendations: for the industry to recover, travelers will need to feel safe and confident that their health is protected. There will be a shift to touchless travel and a new health safety regime supported by digital tools such as the known traveler digital identity initiatives. Travel restrictions in the near term will have most tourists prefer domestic travel over international. It is time to consider a new start. It is in India's favor to explore trends that encourage tourism by way of sustainable means. New alternatives such as the staycation tourist and the digital and virtual tour are innovative ways to start from the bottom to rebuild the industry. Limitations: as we know, there are the shortage of time, shortage of resources due to lockdown. Conclusion: in the end, though it is hard to predict when the COVID-19 pandemic would be over, but the adversity does present an opportunity. Thank you.